Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number 1. Yes, day number 1, week 7, spring 2025 of our journey together. That's day number 1, week 7, spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin.
You got
All
the
right.
book?
I
All right.
don't know my boxes.
You don't know where? No.
All right, so my name is Mr. Petit. All right, so I spelled my name right. I did. Today is Monday the 17th of February 2025. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And the topic is fractions, computations, and mixed numbers. Fractions and mixed numbers. So you're going to be doing calculations with fractions and mixed numbers. So for these ones, you have to pay close attention because it could get interesting, especially the way we're going to set it up. Trinity, turn on your camera. Trinity, turn on your camera. Yes.
I have to leave at 5:20 because I have somewhere to go at 5:30.
Okay.
Just repeat.
Uh-huh.
Glat, if we set it up wrong, do we get that wrong?
You set it up, you mean for these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you set it up wrong, then you're not gonna get it correct. So you have to make sure you set it up right.
Yes, sir. Because our teacher told us that when we do an order of operations.
Yeah, especially with order of operations, that's correct. You don't want to do it wrong. So let's begin with this question. It's an interesting question. We have 6. Let me know if you could see this. 6 and 1/3. 6 and 1/3 plus 4/9 minus 4/1. All right, so we have 6 and 1/3 plus 4/9 minus 4/1. Okay. Any idea on how to do that? Let me know.
And now you can start with
PEMDAS?
PEMDAS. Not really. We have to do
you
something
can start
before.
with multiplying 6 times 3 plus 1.
Okay, so good. Why I can see you now. Trinity, what are we gonna do here? How are we gonna answer this question? What's the first thing? Kerrigan, please turn your camera. Again, Kerrigan, turn your camera. Trinity, what the first thing we're gonna do? So we have to take this mixed number and you take this mixed number and change it into improper fraction. How are we gonna do that?
By multiplying 6 times 3.
Very good. And then doing what?
Adding 1.
Add 1. Very good. All right, so everyone change 6 and 1/3 into an improper fraction. When we do that, what y'all get?
18.
No.
19/3.
19/.
So we have 6 times 3. What is 6 times 3, Wyatt?
18.
Plus 1?
19.
19. So we have a 19 over what? Over 3. So we keep the same denominator, right? Plus 4 over what? 4 over what?
9.
Over 9 minus, right? Minus 4/1. Okay. Okay, so at this point, well, Kerrigan, how did we get 19/3, Kerrigan? How did we get 19/3? Kara, again, how do we get 19 over 3? Do you know or do you not know?
I know.
So what we did here is we did 6 times what?
3.
What is 6 times 3?
18.
And what is 18 plus 1?
19.
So we put the 19 as the numerator and we keep the denominator here. So quick recap, how did we get 19 over 3? We say 6 times 3, which gives us 18. Then we add 1, that gives us 19, and we keep the denominator the same, which is 19 over 3. All right. So Carrie, can explain how I got 19 over 3, please?
6 times 3 equals 18 plus
Mhm.
1 equals 19.
Mhm.
So we put the 19 on the numerator and keep the 3 for the denominator.
Very good. So that's 19 over 3. So we have 19 over 3 plus 4 over 9 minus 4 over 1. What are we going to do at this point?
You can add,
We can what?
but you have to make your denominators the same.
Very good. So we have 3, 9, and 1. How can we make the denominators the same?
We write the LCM.
You have to find the LCM, right?
The lowest common multiple.
Very good. You have to find the lowest common multiple. So it's going to be
I
LCM.
already found my lowest common multiple.
Really? What is your lowest common multiple?
9.
9. That's what you got. Anyone else got the
said two.
LCM? Anyone else got the
I
LCM?
got it.
Okay, so we have LCM. The LCM of 3, 9, and 1. Let's start off with 3. What are the multiples of 3?
3, 6,
3, 6, 9, 12.
and on.
9, 12, 12. What else?
15.
15, and the list goes on, right?
Yes, so.
What are the multiples of 9?
9,
9, 18,
18,
27.
9,
27,
18. What else?
36.
27, 36, and the list goes on, right?
45.
And for 1, we don't have the list of multiples of 1 because whenever we're doing this and we have 1, you don't need the list of multiples of 1 because
Excuse me, Mr. Lewis.
every number is a part of the multiple of 1. Yes.
I have a question.
Go ahead, Trinity.
My lowest. I got my lowest. Lowest common multiple.
What is the lowest common multiple?
9.
9. Class, what did y'all get for the lowest common multiple?
9.
9.
9. Did anyone else get 9?
I got that.
I have a question, Miss Boutique. Excuse me.
Yes.
If we don't write our lowest common multiples on the Glat, but we still get that wrong too.
We don't have to write it. So what is the lowest common multiple, Kerrigan? Of 3, 9, and 1?
9.
9. How did we get 9? What did we do? First, we list off the multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
And so on. Then we list the multiples of 9. What are the multiples of 9?
9, 18, 27, 36.
And the list goes on. And what is common in both of them?
9.
And that's how we get the lowest common multiple. Do you understand that?
Yes, so.
Wyatt, do you understand how we got the lowest common multiple as 9?
You understand? Because that's
Yes,
the
sir.
lowest number together, right?
Wyatt, do you understand how we got the lowest common multiple as 9?
Yes, sir.
Why is the camera off? You have to turn your camera, you have to turn on your camera, Wyatt. All right, so since we know the lowest common multiple is 9, we're gonna go back to our thingy. We're gonna go back here to our fractions. And so we're gonna go back to our fractions and we're gonna say, what times 3 gives us 9?
3.
Again, what times 3 gives us 9?
3.
3, very good. Whatever we do to the bottom,
You
we have to
to you have to do it to the top.
very good. We have to do it at the top. Very good. So 3 times 3 and 19 times 3. What times 9 gives us 9?
1. 1.
1. Very good. 1. And what times 1 gives us 9?
9.
9. Yeah,
9.
9. This is a very important step. This is a very important step. You have to know what to use to multiply each number by. So we use 3 here because 3 times 3 is 9. We use 1 here because 9 times 1 is 9. And we use 9 here because 1 times 9 is 9. Because we're trying to make sure that all of the denominators are the same. Okay? And so
I got the answer.
let's multiply. So we have,
I got an answer.
got your answer? Okay. What is 3 times 3?
Excuse me, my super here.
9.
Yes, go ahead, Trinity.
I got my answer too.
Okay. What is 3 times 3?
9.
9. Very good. Plus, what is 9 times 1? What is 9 times 1?
9.
9. Minus, what is 1 times 9?
9.
9, very good. And so we have, 19 times 3. What is 19 times 3? We have to calculate that, right? 19 times 3.
57.
What is it?
57.
3 times 9 is?
57.
3 times 9 is?
57.
3 times 9 is?
27.
27. Put the 7 down, put the 2 up. 9 times 1, 3 times 1 is what?
3.
3
Plus 2.
plus 2,
50. No.
57. And so that means that we're gonna have 57 right now. So it's gonna be 57 over 9. Plus 4 times 1 is what?
4.
4, very good. And 4 times 9 is what?
36.
36, very good. All right, so this is how we got our fractions. Quick recap, what we did is we say 3 times 3, which gives us 9. 19 times 3, which gives us 57. 9 times 1, which gives us 9. 4 times 1, which gives us 4. 1 times 9, which gives us 9. And 4 times 9, which gives us 36. Now, are we done?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. What do we have to do at this point?
You have that.
Add 57 over 9 plus 4 over 9.
Very good. We have to add these two
Subtract it by
fractions.
36 over 9.
Very good. We have to add these two fractions. 57 plus 4, all over what?
9.
All over 9. We keep 9 as a fraction. So it's going to be 57. 37. Going to be 57. 57 plus 4. 4 times 7 is what?
Wait, 7 plus 4 is 58.
7 plus 4, sorry. 7 plus 4 is what?
11.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Put the 1 down. Put the 1 up.
Yeah.
5 plus 1 is?
6.
6. Good. It's going to be 61 over what?
9.
Very good. Plus Well, it's not plus anymore,
Take-
right? It's
Take
subtract.
away
Yeah. Subtract
36 over 9.
minus 36 over 9.
Equals 25.
Now, what is 36 over 9 minus, what is 61 over 9 minus 36 over 9?
25.
25 over 9.
You again?
25.
25?
Yes, sir, over 9.
Okay, let's subtract. So we have 61 minus 36. One minus 6, we can't do that. So this is going to be 5. 11 minus 6. What is 11 minus 6? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's going to be 5. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. It's going to be equal to what? 25 over what?
9.
9. Yeah, 25 over 9. All right, 25 over 9. Is that it, or can we change this into a mixed number?
You can
Change it
change it to a
number.
mixed number.
If we can change it to a mixed number, if we change it to a mixed number, it'll be we're gonna say 9 into 25. How many times does 9 go into 25?
Two.
Twice. Very good. 9 times 2 is what?
18.
18. Very good. We subtract. We do 5 minus 8. We can't do that, so we have to go here and do 1. It's gonna be 1. 15 minus 8 is what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That'll be 7.
I have my answer, Mr. Petit.
What's your answers? What's your answers?
2 and 7 over 9.
Mine's 2, 7 over 9.
Anyone else?
I got that too.
Okay. All right, so what's
I got
good.
that.
Very good. So what is the whole number? What
2.
the whole number is? The whole number is 2. What is the numerator?
7.
7. And the denominator?
9. 9.
Very good, 9. So 2 and 7 over what? Over 9. 2 and 7 over 9. 2 and 7 over 9. All right. Let me know if y'all understand this, please. Let me know if y'all understand this.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay. Wyatt, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Trinity, do you understand this?
Kinda.
Kinda. Okay. And Madeline, do you? One second, Madeline, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Legacy, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. For those of you who are finished with this, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. For those of you who are finished, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Can I get the phone, please, Mr. Petit?
Yes, you can. Maya, do you understand this?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Can I rejoin because your screen is going on and off?
Okay, you can. Adaya, where's Adaya?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what we're doing or no?
I haven't started yet, sir.
You started at that? Okay. I'm gonna take a picture of this and put inside the chat because we can't be on this all day. Again, let me take a picture of this and put it inside the chat for you. Or if you want to, you could take a screenshot of it. Okay, so have y'all sent in the workers, yeah?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes.
May I go get the charger to my phone?
Yes, we can. Let me put this inside the chat for you all who are still writing. If you're still writing, I'm gonna put inside the chat for you. Okay.
Can you hear me, Mr. Petit?
Yes, I can.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So let me go ahead and next slide, move all this ink, clear all drawings. All right. Okay. So the last time we did the question, it was 6 and 1/3 plus 4/9 minus 4/1. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's do this one. Let's go ahead and do. There's gonna be another one, right? For those of you who are not here. Adaya. How's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me?
I'm not finished.
Adaya, can you hear me?
I said I'm not finished.
Did I ask you that? Did I ask you if you were finished?
Oh, I thought you say, are you finished?
That's not what I said. You have to be paying attention, Adaya. I just called your name. Can you hear me?
I can.
Okay, do not write what I have in the chat as yet. Write what I have on the screen right now because I want you to understand this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So number 2. So we have let's do 5. I'm gonna put this on the same way. Let me do it on the next side. Put on this side, same. Again, I can still do it on this side. So we could have the side is supposed to originally be on. Okay, so let's say we have a 5 and 1/3. Plus 4/9. Well, let's do plus 2/9. Minus 3/1. So we have 5 and 1/3 plus 2/9 minus 3/1. Okay, so what's the first thing we're gonna do here, class? What are we gonna do?
Change the mixed number to an improper fraction.
Very good. Change the mixed number into improper fraction. Wyatt, what is the first thing we're gonna do?
5 times 3 plus it by 1.
Very good. So we're gonna say 5 times 3 and then add 1. right? And so what we have here, write this down for me, please. Everyone should be writing this down. So we have, what is 5 times 3? 5 times 3 is what?
15,
15 plus 1 is what?
16
Very good. So it's going to be 16 over what?
over
Over 3,
3.
right? Plus,
2 over 9.
keep the same 2 over 9. 2 over 9. Minus what?
3 over
Minus,
9.
minus 3 over 1. Very good. Minus 3 over. So we have 16 over 3 plus 2 over 9 minus 3 over 1. All right.
After
1 second. Adaya, do you understand how we change this into a mixed number?
Yeah.
no, sir.
Okay, so what do we do here? What symbol do you see?
Multiply.
So we did what?
Multiply 5 times 3.
What is 5 times 3?
15,
Plus 1.
16,
That's going to be 16 over what?
3,
So 16 is our numerator. What is our denominator?
3,
3. So we keep the 3 here, right? Plus 2 over 9 minus 3 over 1. Class, what we're going to do in order to deal with these fractions?
find the LCM.
Find the LCM. Very good. So we have to find the LCM. So the LCM is going to be, so you're going to find the LCM. Find the LCM, right? The LCM of what? Of 3,
3, 9, and 1.
3, 9, and 1. Find the LCM of 3, 9, and 1. The LCM of 3, 9, and 1. Okay, so what are the multiples of 3, class?
3, 6,
3,
6,
6,
9,
9,
12,
9,
15,
12,
15,
15, and so on, right? What are the multiples of 9?
9,
9,
18.
18.
Excuse me, Mrs.
Go ahead.
I already got my answer.
You already got your answer? Okay, if you got your answer, put it inside the chat. Let me see it.
I got mine too.
Put it inside the chat. The final answer, final answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, put it inside the
How do
chat.
we write this out? Wait.
Yeah, just write a slash. Just write a slash for the fraction. All right, so class, what is the lowest common multiple of 3, 1, and 9? That's gonna be what? What is the lowest common multiple?
9.
9, so we have 9 here, okay? So the lowest common multiple of the LCM, right, the LCM of 3, 9, and 1 is going to be, 9, okay? Adaya, do you understand how we got 9 as the LCM?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what did we do to find 9 as the LCM?
We write down the first of 4 or 5 multiples of 3 and 9, and then the lowest common multiple we find is the LCM.
Very good. All right, Kerrigan, you understand how we got the LCM as 9?
You understand?
Yes, sir.
What did we do to find the LCM as 9?
You have to sign 5 times 3 plus 1.
No. What did we do to find the LCM as 9?
Find the lowest common factor.
Not factor. The lowest common what?
Lowest common
Multiple.
multiple.
So we list the multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3?
3, 6, 9, and 12.
And the list goes on. What are the multiples of 9?
9, 18, 27.
And the list goes on. And so we are going to find that 9 is the most common one, so the LCM is going to be 9. Does that make sense?
Oh.
Good. Okay, so Madeline, you understand this so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so class, what are we going to do at this point?
You're gonna
On a what?
you're gonna see how much 3 could get to 9.
Yeah, we say what times 3 gives us 9. And what is that?
3 times 3.
3 times 3. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the
Top.
top. Very good. Same thing right there. We say what times 9 is 9. That's going to be what?
1.
That's 1.
9 times 1 is
9 times 1 is 9. And then whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the
top.
very good. Going to be times 9. Minus, we say 3 over 1. Again, whatever we do to the bottom. What times 1 is 9?
9.
9, very good. So 1 times 9 is 9. Again, whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top as well. Very good. And so we have, it's going to be equal to all over. What is 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is what?
9.
9, very good. And what is 16 times 3? We have to figure that out, right? So we're gonna,
16
so 16,
48.
48.
16 multiplied by 3. We have 3 times 6 is what? 3 times 6 is what?
48.
No, 3 times
18.
6. 3 times 6 is 18. Yeah. Put the 8 down, put the 1 up. 3 times
Yes.
1 is?
3 plus 1 is
Plus
4.
1 is 4. Very good. And so we have what on top?
48.
48. Very good.
Cookie.
Plus
Plus
2 times 1 is
over
what?
9.
2. Very good.
Minus.
Minus 9 times 1 is?
Multiply 9.
9. Very good.
Minus
Minus 3 times 9 is what?
27.
3 times 9 is 27. Very good.
9
27
is
over 9. Very good. Good. So, Adaya, what is 3 times 3?
3 times 3 is 9.
Very good. And what is 16 times 3?
48.
Very good. What is 9 times 1?
9.
What is 2 times 1?
2.
Very good. At the bottom, we have 1 times 9, which gives us what?
9.
We have 3 times 9, which gives us?
27.
Very good. All right, next up, what we're going to do, we're going to come here. It's going to be equal to all over 48 over 9 plus 2 over 9 is going to be what? 48, 49, 50. Going to be what? 50 over?
50 over 9.
50 over 9. Very good. 50 over 9. Minus what? Minus what?
27 over 9.
27 over 9. So now, class, do we subtract the denominators or the numerators?
the numerators.
You always keep the denominator.
Numerators.
Very good. Always keep the denominator same. So it's going to be over 9. And so we have 50 minus 27. What is 50 minus 27? Um, 0 minus 7, we can't do that. This is going to be 4 over 2. It's going to be 10 minus 7. What is 10 minus 7? That's going to be what? 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 4 minus 2 is?
2.
It's going to be 23. Good. So we have 23 over 9. 23 over 9. All right. Okay, so what are we going to do at this point? We are done, right? We have 23 over 9, so we're finished, right?
No, sir.
No. What we have to do?
You can change it to a mixed number.
Very good. We're gonna change it to a mixed number. So we have 23 over 9. So we're gonna say 9 into What?
9 into 23.
9 into 23. Very good. 9 into
23
23.
divided by 9.
How many times does 9 go into 23?
2 times.
2 times
2.
Twice. Very good. 9 times 2 is what?
18.
18.
18.
18. Very good.
23 18.
Then it's gonna be what? 13. 13 minus 8 is what?
5.
13 minus 8 is 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
It's 5.
It's 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 5. So what is our whole number?
2.
Our whole number is 2. What is our numerator?
5.
5. What is our denominator? What is our denominator?
Our denominator is 9.
9. Very good. So what's the answer? 2,
2 and 9 over 5.
2
2,
5 over 9.
2 and 5 over 9. All right, how many persons got this? 2 and 5 over 9.
I did.
Who's I did? Let me see. Let me look in the chat.
I
Najara,
did.
2 and 5 over 9. Okay. Y'all just supposed to say. Y'all just posted inside the chat.
No, sir. I heard that from.
No, sir.
No? Let me see. 2 and 5 over 9. That's correct.
Send that from 504.
Yes,
It's 5:30 now.
yes, I see that. So very good, Najara. Very good, Trinity. Trinity, where's Trinity? Show your face, Trinity. Where's Trinity? Very good. I'm glad that you got it. Finally, you got something right in my class. Finally.
Oh,
And Legacy, very good. And Maya, excellent. The rest of you, do you understand? Kerrigan, Aiden, Adaya, Wyatt, Marlon, do you understand how to get this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Adaya, Wyatt, do you all understand how to do this?
Yes, sir.
Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you now.
I was asking, do you understand how we got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Good.
I think I had my volume down until I saw your thing was moving.
All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. And then we can go on to the great exercise. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again,
I
take a
sent
picture of
my
your
work
work and
in.
send it to me via WhatsApp. Good. Again, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, and then we can move on. Let me see who all have sent in their work. Let's go. Thank you, Adaya, Shavarion, Madeline, Najara, Genesis, Trinity, you ready sending your work? Where's Trinity?
My mommy here.
You have to use someone's phone, Trinity, to send in your work.
My grandma here you go.
Okay. Kerrigan, where's Kerrigan? Kerrigan? And who else? That's all I think. Madeline, where's your work?
I sent it.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
Send your answer.
Kerrigan, you need to send in your work. And okay, I got it.
Okay, I was just outside.
Okay, let's go ahead and move on. Let me move on from this. Ready for the great exercise. Hopefully you all do well on this. Should do well. If any questions, then let me know. All right, let me go on to the next screen and erase all. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the great exercise. So great exercise. Write this down for me, please. You can write this down for me. All right, great exercise. So for these ones, we're going to be using the same method. You have to find the LCM. You have to change the mixed number into improper fraction. You have to use PEMDAS. You have to follow how it goes. You have to make sure that your denominators are the same. You have to consider the numerators and don't change the denominators. That you have to do. All right, so let's go on this one. So we're going to say 5 and 1/3 plus, what number we use in the last section? We use 2/9. Okay. Okay, plus 3/9 minus 3/1. Pretty similar to what we did before. Number 2, we have 6 and 1/3 plus 2/9 minus 2/1. Number 3, we have 5 and 1/3 plus 5/9 minus 4/1. Number 4, we have 6 and 1/3 plus 4/9 minus let me change the 4 over 9 to 5 over 9. 5 over 9 minus, oh boy, 5 over 9 minus 3 over 1. All right, just those first four. Again, once you finish with your work, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you finish your work, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. What time is it? 4:22. All right, go ahead and complete those. Wyatt, please turn your camera. Joel and Gianna, turn your camera as well. Joel and Gianna, turn your camera as well. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm answering number 1.
Okay. Kerrigan, what number you on?
1.
Number 1 as well. Okay. Trinity, where's Trinity?
Yes, sir.
Turn your camera, Trinity. What number you on, Trinity?
On number 1.
Number 1, okay. Adai, what number you on?
Number 1.
Are you answering it?
Yes, sir.
Are you using the example to answer it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone finish with number 1?
Yes, sir.
Najara, okay.
I'm finished with number 1.
Legacy. Okay. Maya, what number you on?
Number 1 going on number 2.
Number 1 going on number 2, okay. And Joel, what number you on?
Number 1, answer
It again?
number 1.
Answering number 1, okay. Wyatt, what number you on?
Answering number 1.
Answering number 1. Adaya, what number you on now?
Still number 1.
Still number 1, okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I have to go now.
Have you finished with number 1?
Yes, sir. Want me to send you the picture of it?
Yeah, take a picture of that.
All right. I started on number 2.
Okay. Besides Najara, who else is finished with number 1? Who else is finished with number 1 besides Najara?
Almost done.
Good afternoon. Bye, Mr. Petit.
Okay, no
Thank
problem.
you for teaching my class.
No problem. Have a good day. Joel and Gianna, what number you all on?
Still answer number 1.
1, okay. Trinity, what number are you on?
Number 2.
Number 2, you answered number 1 already?
Well, I write it down.
No, answer it, please. Don't just write them down, answer them. Do not move on to number 2 until you answer number 1. And we're not in the business of writing questions down merely. Let me move all this. Clear all drawings. Good. Okay. Amadaya, what number you on?
I'm almost on number 2. I have to fix my pen because it came out of the, what you call it? The holder or whatever it's sitting.
Kiara, again, what number you on now?
1.
Number 1, okay. All right.
Excuse me, Philly.
Yes.
I got answer number 2 now.
Say it again.
I got answer number 2.
Have you answered number 1 yet?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can move on. Is that Kylie or Trinity?
Trinity.
Why you sound so much like Kylie? Wow.
That's probably her long lost twin.
Maybe. They sound so much alike. Maya, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2, okay. Joel and Gianna, what number you all on?
I'm going on number 2.
Going on number 2, okay.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
I'm finished.
You finished with all 5?
Yes. 5?
I mean 4, sorry.
Yes.
Okay, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Trinity, what number you on?
Number 2. I can go turn back on the light.
Yes, we can.
I set my work in.
Okay. Okay, let me send you the Najar, I'm gonna send you the rest of them, okay? So you could do them.
Yes, sir.
These are only for those who are finished with the first 4. You can move on to the next ones. I sent it to you, Najara, on your phone. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on number 2.
Number 2. You understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go ahead.
Excuse me.
Yes, go ahead.
Do you want me to number it differently?
No, number different. No, not keep the same number. This is grade exercise number 2.
Yes. So start from 1.
Yeah, start from 1, yes. Adaya, are you finished with number 1?
Yes, sir.
What you got for your answer for number 1?
I got 23/9.
Did you change that into a mixed number?
Not as yet.
So you're not done with number 1. You have to change that into a
Oh,
mixed
I
number.
didn't know I had to do that.
Change it into a mixed number. I don't understand how you say you don't know how to do that. If all
I
of the
said I didn't know I had to do it.
please, Adaya, calm down your voice. Watch your tone of voice, please. I gave you the example. The example was very clear. And in each of the examples, you had to change it back into a mixed number. So don't tell me you didn't know you had to do that. Roscoe with number 1. Roscoe? Where's Roscoe? Roscoe, can you hear me? Trinity, you need to be doing your work. Roscoe with number 1. Can I from Roscoe? Wyatt with number 1.
Number 2.
What you got for number 1?
I get 2/3.
2/3? That's what you got, Roscoe? I mean,
Yes,
Wyatt?
sir.
Just 2/3, that's it?
Yes, sir.
That's not right. You need to do that again. You can't get 2/3 for your answer. Roscoe, can you turn your camera?
Excuse me, can I use the bathroom, please?
No. No, Joel, no. You always do the same thing every class. No. I don't understand how you always have to use the restroom. Najara, Roscoe, you realize it? I don't think he realizes his mic is unmuted. Wyatt? Not Wyatt. Trinity, what you got for number 1? Trinity, what you got for number 1?
I got 2 and 6/9.
2 and 6/9?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madeline, what you got for number 1?
I got 2 and 6/9.
Okay. All right.
Miss Petite, you called me earlier.
Never mind. Where is
Yes.
what's her name? Wyatt, what you got for number 1? Why would you go for number one?
I still doing it.
Still doing it? What step are you on right now? Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, what step are you on? Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me? I can't hear from Wyatt. Madeline, what number you on now?
I'm finishing up with number 2.
Okay. Kerrigan, what number you on?
Number 2.
You got for number one. You got for number
2
one.
and 2/3.
2 and 2/3.
Yes, sir.
Najar, what you got for number one?
You said me, Mr. Petit?
Yeah, what you got for number one?
Number 1, I got 2/3.
2 and 2/3.
Yes, sir. Because I took 6/9 first, then I simplified.
Then you simplify it. Okay. All right. So Trinity and Madeline, simplify your answer for
I
number.
didn't simplify it.
Yeah, simplify your answer. Maya, what you got for number one?
Simplify.
Maya, what you got for number one?
I got 2 and 6/9.
You have to simplify that, right?
We can simplify, sir.
Yes, you can, because 6/9 can be simplified.
I got 2 and 2/3.
Okay, good. That's perfect. Wyatt, what you got for number? What you got for number one?
I got 2, 2/3.
2 and 2/3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And Adai, what you got for number one? Adai, what you got for number one? Okay, can't really hear from Adaya. Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Okay, Adaya says she can't hear me. What you got for number one? What?
What's up with you? Didn't say no one's name.
No, I was talking to Adaya. Roscoe? Roscoe, can you hear me? I can't hear from Roscoe. 2 and 5 of a 9. No, that's all right. Okay, anyone finish number 2? Is anyone finished number 2 as yet?
I'm finished.
I finished.
Okay.
I'm finished.
I'm done.
Trinity, what you got for number 2?
I got 3 and 5 over 9.
3 and 5 of a 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Maya, what you got for number 2?
I got 4. I got 4 and 5 over 9.
4 and 5 of a 9. Okay, and Najara, what you got for number 2?
And 2, I got 2 5 over 9.
2 and 5 of a 9.
Yes, sir. Wait, no, sorry. That's the right thing. I was on the next. Number 2, I got 4 5 over 9.
4 and 5 of a 9. Okay, and Madeline, you finished number 2 yet?
Yes, sir. I just finished number 3.
What you got for number 2?
For number 2, I got 4 and 5 over 9.
Okay, 4 and 5 of a 9. Trinity, what you got for number 2?
I got 3 and 5 over 9.
It's supposed to be 4 and 5 of a 9. Check that again, please.
I still got 3.
Check it again. Check it again, Trinity. Carrie, again, what you got for number 2?
I got 4 and 5 over 9.
4 and 5 of a 9. Okay. Okay. Wyatt, what number you on?
And number 3.
Yeah. What do you got for number 2?
I got 4, 5 over 9.
Very good. All right. And Roscoe, can you hear me?
Jason, I said 3.
Yes.
I still got 3.
Still got 3. Okay, what did you do?
So when I got so 16. Okay, so first
Mm-hmm.
it's 6, 5, 3. Oh, I know that I did wrong.
You see what you got wrong? What you did wrong?
I thought the 6 was 5
Mm, instead of 6. Okay, be careful.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm done.
You're done? Take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. All right. Um, Gianna, what number you on? Gianna, what number you on?
Number 3 going on number 4.
Okay, Adaya, what you got for number 1?
I got 2509.
How did you get that?
I multiplied 27 over 9.
27 over 9.
Yes, sir.
How did you get 27 over 9?
I really didn't know what to do, but I times 3 times 9 and 9 times 9.
You have to speak up.
I times 3 times 9 and 9 times 9. I didn't know what I was doing because I couldn't hear you.
Um, so you have 5 and 1 over 3 plus 3 over 9 minus 3 over 1. What did you do? What's the first thing that you did? That's what I want to know.
I found the LCM.
How about changing 5 and 1 over 3 into a mixed number, into a proper fraction? Did you do that?
No, sir.
All right, so we have 5 times 3. What is 5 times 3?
15,
Plus 1 is what?
16.
So it's going to be what? 16 over what?
3,
Good, 16 over 3. Plus what?
3 over 9.
Plus 3 over 9, good. Minus
3 over 1.
3 over 1. Okay, now what is the LCM of 3, 9, and 1?
The LCM is 9.
Good. What
Oh,
times?
excuse me, Speedy. Mom, we have to leave. So after this one, can I go, please?
Yes, we can. All right, so what times 3 is 9?
3,
3. Whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the
top,
good. Um, what what times 9 is 9?
1,
1. Whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the
top,
good. Same thing here. What times 1 is 9?
9,
9. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top as well. So we have, it's going to be equal to 3 times 3 is what?
3 times 3 is 9.
Very good. And 16 times 3
Um,
is If you multiply it, it's gonna be 48. All right.
48.
Plus, what is 3 times 1?
3.
3, very good. All over. What is 9 times 1?
9.
Good. Minus. What is 3 times 9?
3 times 9 is 27.
Very good. 27 over. What is 1?
9.
1 times 9 is
9.
9. Now we're gonna do 48 plus 3 over 9. It's gonna be what?
Um,
48 over 9 plus 3 over 9.
40, 50 over 9.
50. Add again.
51 over 9.
51 over 9. Good. 51 over 9. Minus what?
Minus 27 over 9.
Good. And we gotta subtract 51 and 27. And that's gonna give us what? We see 1 minus 7, we can't do that. This becomes what? 4. And this is 11. 11 minus 7 is what? 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 4 minus 2, what is 4 minus 2?
2.
2, good. It's gonna be equal to 24 over what?
9.
24 over 9, very good. Now we're gonna take this and write it as a mixed number.
Mixed number.
How are we gonna do that?
Divide.
Very good. So we say 9 into what?
24.
Very good. 9 into 24. How many times does 9 go into 24?
3 times.
No, twice. 9 times 2 is what?
18.
18. 24 minus 18 is what? We get 14 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's gonna be 6. And this is 1 minus 1, which is 0. So what is gonna be?
9. 2 over 6.
No,
6. 2 over 9.
no. 2 is the whole number.
2. 6 over 9.
Very good. 2 and 6 over 9. All right. You understand that?
So
Okay, you could go. Class, we have to simplify this, right? You have to simplify this, right? Right, class?
Yes, sir.
What could we use to go into 9 and 6? Without even a remainder. I use 3. How about y'all? What y'all use? What did y'all use to simplify it?
I use 3 as well.
3. So 6 divided by 3 is what?
2,
2. Very good. And 9 divided by 3 is what?
3.
3. I got 2 and 2 over 3. Did anyone else get that? 2 and 2 over 3. Let me know, please.
I did.
I did.
Very good. Anyone else besides Maya and Trinity? Anyone else got that?
I got it.
All right. Madeline, did you get it?
I didn't know
I
you
get it.
have to do that.
Where did you stop? You stopped at 2 and 6 over 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did anyone else get 2 and 2 over 3?
I got it.
I did.
Okay. All right, it's good. So let's move on to the next one. Erase our link. Okay, so this answer here is 2 and 2 over 3. What do y'all have for number 2? What do y'all have for number 2? What y'all have for number 2?
4 and 5 over 9.
Say it again.
4 and 5
4
over
and 5 over 9.
Very good. 4 and 5 over 9. 4 and 5 over 9. Who else have that? 4 and 5 over 9. Let me know, please.
I do.
Very good. If you got it, please
I
put
do.
a tick. What do you have for number 3? Y'all finished with number 3 yet?
Yes, sir.
What you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you got for number 3? What y'all got for number 3?
Number 3. I got 1 8 over 9.
1 and 8 over 9.
Very good. 1 and 8 over
I
9.
also got 1 8 over
I
9.
get 1 8 or 9.
Very good. 1 and 8 over 9. And for number 4, what you have for number 4?
Number 4. I have 3 8 over 9.
Anyone else finish number 4?
I also have 3 and
I finished number 4.
3 8 over 9.
Madeline, what you have for number 4?
3 8 over 9.
What you have? What you have on your paper, on your book?
I have 3 and 8 over 9.
Very good. Anyone else got 4 to 4?
I have 3 8 or 9 too. I did.
Very good. Excellent. Anyone else got all 4 correct? Let me know, please.
I did.
Okay. Take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. We meet again tomorrow. So we do have class tomorrow and this entire week. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.